you go. Wahl Cordless Detailer. Unboxing it. It's pretty dope. Detailer fresh out the box. Fresh out the box. I like that. First thoughts, man, is the weight is nice. It's a little longer than the corded version. It's a little longer. It's a little longer than the corded version, but still, man, it feels good in the hand. Oh, I like this, bro. It's got a TY blade on it. And I couldn't wait to compare these two trimmers, man, but this definitely feels stronger, bro. Yeah. This is definitely stronger. Definitely stronger. So I can't wait to do that review, man, and that comparison. All right, let's see what else is in there. Oh man, it's a whole other box. Bro, Wahl understands how important packaging is, man. And honestly, I think that's something that a lot of companies are striving toward based off what Tristan Walker was able to do with his the bevel trimmer packaging, man. Now we've seen companies completely step it up. Oh, I need another one of these. Dope. I use these. I need another one of these. That's good. It comes with the 3 guards, the 1.5, and the 1. Also a cover to protect it while you're traveling, which is cool. This has got to be the charging stand. Oh, I like that. It has, oh man, it has like very premium quality weight to it. That's good. It feels really premium. It has the jack on the back right here. And this is said to swivel around from side to side. I don't know how like functional standpoint. I don't know how much that's gonna, make the difference, but it looks cool. It looks cool. And let's see the plug it comes with. Wahl plug-in, I think it is, yeah. It's just great. Let's see if this fits like my cordless senior or something. Because I think it does. I think it does. Now we're just gonna break it down and use that 1-minute blade modifier. Shout out to Chuka the Barber for this innovation. I've done this for just about all of my trimmers and it always works well. It's a regular 5-star blade, so you just drop a little bit of oil into the blade setter and you give it a minute, man, of just doing exactly what the directions say. You put the manufacturer name on the right side of the blade modifier and you just back and forth in those sawing motions to make sure you get that thing nice and filed down. This is going to help you with your edge up game, closer shaves. Like, this is a really, really great product. And again, shout out to Chuka for doing that, man. So we got it ready to go. We're going to put it back together. This has been the Barber Mosaic, Molo the Barber. Check me out. Like, subscribe, comment. Let's mix it up, man. This has been an unboxing of the Cordless Detailer Li. Peace. I'm out.